Today I'm at Hilly's Quilts in Antioch, California, which is in the San Francisco Bay Area. It's located in a quiet little town about a block from the Delta Waterway. The shop is made up of 3 rooms, all of which have high ceilings where quilts are displayed throughout. It's almost like being at a quilt show. There's just so much to see. Some of the quilts come as kits that can be purchased in the store. After viewing the quilts, my attention was drawn to all the shelves of fabric in the shop. Hilly's carries mainly cotton fabrics and is known for its batiks, Cape Fawcett line, and flannels. Most of their fabric is organized by color, which makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Their website also organized fabric by color. I've included a link below so you can browse at your leisure. A large notions wall is in the center room. You can see they carry many different creative grid rulers. Towards the back they have panels for sale, along with patterns for clothing. Here are some of the small projects that you can make with patterns on sale in the shop. Through the doorway near the notions wall is a room filled with more fabric. Around the perimeter of the room, you'll find mainly tone-on-tone fabrics. The shelves in the center feature many novelty prints. This is also where the shop's flannel prints are located and where the books and patterns are showcased. Their third room houses their Christmas fabric and other collections. These displays are at one end of the room. The other side is where they hold classes. You can see that the classroom is very spacious. A schedule of classes is listed on their website. Hope you get a chance to visit Hilly's Quilts. Plan on spending extra time viewing their quilt displays. I stopped by on my lunch break from jury duty and wish I could have stayed longer. There were so many items to look over, but eventually I decided to purchase this floral print along with the light pink newsprint and this light green. I was thinking this would make a nice spring table runner or look nice in a quilt for a baby girl. Maybe this bricks quilt using just the floral and newsprint, or what would you make? Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to get alerted when a new video comes out. You can also sign up for updates and free patterns at LearnHowToQuilt.com. Thanks.